So I'm making this video because one of my subscribers commented on a video of mine before requesting me to do a cleaning video. So this is me cleaning the toilet because for some reason, y'all know when you're a parent or when you have a male in the house, for some reason, it's like they can't aim for the toilet, and the toilet only, it's like it's pee everywhere but the toilet. So yeah, this is me cleaning the toilet, and y'all, I am not one of those cleaners that clog my toilet up with some cleaning supplies just to satisfy my subscribers. But this is me using the Dollar Tree Awesome Spray, because you can't lie if you say that spray ain't thebomb.com. And then I'm also using some Mr. Clean, and I went in with some Ajax because y'all, I don't know what my son be doing. He's 9 years old. He's fully potty trained. So, sir, why are you not aiming for the toilet? What, you got beef with the back of the wall or something? Like, let me know. But this is just me scrubbing the toilet. I would make him clean it himself, but y'all, he's so lazy. It takes him 3 to 5 business days just to clean his room. So I know it would take him 10 business days just to clean this damn toilet. So y'all, I'm tired as hell scrubbing this toilet like I ain't got nothing else to do. Meanwhile, I'm bathing my other 2 kids in the tub. So it's like a mom job is never done. Can I get an amen? But yeah, this is me still cleaning the toilets. Took a break because y'all, I was tired. But then I went to my bathroom to grab the little toilet bowl cleaner, because if I keep it in their bathroom, they just gonna play in that shit. It's like they think everything is free, not knowing I had to buy that. So yeah, I keep everything in my bathroom. But this is just me scrubbing the inside of the toilet. Surprisingly, they don't dirty up the inside of the toilet as much as you would think. So yeah, I'll be right back, checking every few little seconds or whatever. My daughter be so mad, y'all. She be like, Mom, he peed on the toilet again. Like, bruh, how hard is it to aim in the toilet? Are you slow? Do you need my help? I be in the morning, I be cracking up laughing at them. In a minute, you about to see me bending over. That's just me screwing the toilet seat cover thing tighter, because as you can see, the seat all wobbly. Like, y'all, I do not know what my kids be doing. Still scrubbing, and this is me cleaning the side of the toilet and behind it with my little scrubby dub, brushy dub, because like I said, he beefing with the toilet. He aim everywhere but the toilet. So yeah, around the toilet is his ops. Apparently, they go some booty action. Hey, twerk, mama, twerk, twerk, mama, twerk. But yeah, I'm still cleaning or whatever because I'm a slave. Apparently, look at my fat ass back. Oh my God, I need to lose weight, but don't go on me. And yeah, that's how you clean the toilet when your son pisses everywhere and flush. Peace out. Love y'all.